Hi again, and welcome to Don't Waste Daddy. Today we'll be learning kitchen tools that you and your family can use to go zero waste. Stay and watch through to the end of the episode to see my son Dylan use the tools that I discuss. As a side note, we have enrolled Dylan in a Montessori school in order to promote self-reliance, and especially since then, he's been wanting to help more and more in the kitchen. So, teaching your kids how to use these kitchen tools will help them learn self-reliance as well, and in the future they'll learn how to cook for themselves. Dylan, this is a video. Do you like your new pouch? Yeah? Oh, good. Okay, so for pouches, tubes, and wraps, you think of hard and soft plastics. We found substitutes with stasher pouches, squeezy tubes, and beeswax wraps. So for squeezy tubes, we usually make chia and almond milk pudding. For the stasher pouches, they're great for hot and cold items, and you can even use them to cook sous vide style. And for beeswax wraps, the old versions used to be a little bit more difficult to place around a bowl or container. However, newer ones by Bees Wrap and Lily Bee Wrap fit much nicer around those bowls. So I don't know about you and your family, but I grew up on plastic Tupperware. These are great substitutes. Snapware by Glasslock. They come in different shapes and sizes. Perfect for storing leftovers. But you can also use them for takeout. Just bring them to the restaurant with you. I've used them for dumplings to Chinese food. And it leaves a heavy bag, but at least you can bring it home and not have to worry about any extra waste.
Hey Dylan, can you say hi everybody? Can you say hi everybody? Can you say subscribe? Okay. Can you sit up straight? There we go. Can you say hi everybody?
To store bulk food and drink, we use 1 gallon size glass containers. I use them when I make my homemade granola, as well as my homemade kombucha. I also make homemade almond milk, which I'll be showing in a future video. So this is perfect for making bulk food and drinks that will last throughout the week. Okay, go ahead, Dylan. You want to put the pineapple in the Vitamix? There you go. So we have packaged fruit right now, but thank you, my love. But we're eventually gonna buy fruit in bulk. Okay, we're gonna add sliced almonds.
Yeah.
Next. Whoa.
And
All
yogurt.
right.
Yogurt.
Okay, some almonds. And then we're gonna add some yogurt. Oh, I forgot to open that. All right. So basically you're gonna add yogurt, put it in the Vitamix, and blend it up. Okay. This is easily my favorite kitchen tool. A high-powered blender is an investment, however, it is an important component in your zero waste journey. The Vitamix 750 comes with several presets that include smoothies, sorbets, soups, and sauces, and there's also a self-cleaning feature. I highly recommend getting one of these. I also use it for making nut butters and nut milks, and you can even make your own dairy butter. Yes. Are you ready? Right. Okay, so what we want to do is turn the pressure cooker on, start the chili. So you press that button, and it's high, and then we want to get it to 20 minutes. So what we'll do is we have to press the plus button right there. You press, oh, here, it's okay. Well, cancel. And then you press pressure cook, and it's on high pressure. And then we want to put the time. So plus, till we get to 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And we're done.
It's done.
All right, thank you. Okay, I love you. Thank you for cooking dinner. The Instant Pot Duo is a relatively new kitchen tool for our family to use. In fact, just last night, we used it to make chili with Dylan's help. There are a variety of settings, but the famous one is the pressure cooker setting used to make rice within minutes. However, I've used it to make yogurt in the past. I'll be showing you how to make yogurt in my parfait video. The ideal situation is that you'll combine all ingredients of a meal in the Instant Pot and your meal will be ready in minutes. We're making orange juice, right?
Orange juice.
Okay, let's do it this time. I'm gonna cut the orange in half.
Pull this out and wash it.
Okay, well, we washed the juicer already. You wanna give it a shot?
Yeah.
Push down on it? Okay, here we go. All right. Okay, is it coming out? Is the juice coming out?
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay,
Good.
that's good. I'll give you a little squeeze here just in case. Maybe one more?
Maybe one more.
Okay, one more. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. Here we go. Okay, how is that?
Good.
Okay.
No,
All right, we gotta make sure we show our friends here. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. I'll give a little more. Okay. Are you ready to, should we pour it in the cup?
Yeah, sure.
All right, ready? Okay, you wanna help me? Okay. There we go. All right.
Yeah.
Do you wanna go ahead and taste it? How is that?
Good.
Good? Okay. Thank you for making the juice. All right. That's our freshly squeezed basic hand juicer. In the past, my family has used a high-end juicer for juices such as apple, orange, and carrot. However, I prefer to use a hand juicer because it's simpler, easier to use and clean up, and I believe it's quicker. So instead of going and paying for expensive juice out, why not just juice at home? Here are some staple ingredients to have in your kitchen at all times. They can be used in food recipes as well as bathroom toiletries. You have coconut oil, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar. Coconut oil is good for your skin. Baking soda is a good deodorizer and cleaner. And apple cider vinegar is actually good for your skin as well and for your hair. So go ahead and try these, and please let me know if there are any additional staples that you recommend to have around the house. Thank you for watching this Don't Waste Daddy episode on kitchen tools to help you on your zero waste journey. Please comment and like below, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your questions, comments, and recommendations. If you have any advice on additional kitchen tools and hacks, please let me know. Best of success on your own zero waste journey. Take care, and here's more of my son Dylan. All right, okay kiddo, let's cut this vegetable here. This
And
red
put it in
pepper.
there.
Yeah, all right, so we're using very safe, hard plastic knives that Dylan can use, and we cut it in quarters here. So we're done with that because we're gonna put the red bell pepper in the Vitamix. All right, and remove these
I'll
seeds
put it in there.
and the core there. All right, nice
I'll
job,
put it in
kiddo.
there.
Yes, we will put it in there. We can do it that way. Okay, how about, we'll have to do the onion a little bit later. Okay. All right.
Look at this.
On one, and this chops it very slowly. So go ahead and press pulse. Okay, you have to hold it down for a little bit. Here, let me help you out. Okay. Alright. Nice job, kiddo. I think it's gonna get all the ingredients. Yeah. Thank you very much. We're all done. Okay, ready? Alright. Nice job, you're working it. Okay.
See how it turns it, Dylan?
Yeah, we have to go all the way around. All the way.
And it's like a little round knife. It cuts the can open.
Yeah.
Can't open it.
A can opener.
Yeah,